Create your fulfillment plan and step-by-step action plan to help you achieve your goals. 1. Reflect on the insights gained from the previous sections regarding your environment, places, and people. 2. Identify 3 specific actions you can take to align your environment with your goals and values. This can include decluttering and organizing your physical space, creating an inspiring workspace, or seeking out new social circles or communities that resonate with your aspirations. 3. Choose one new place that you want to explore or engage with that aligns with your passions and aspirations. Research activities, events, or organizations related to that place, and commit to visiting or participating in them within the next month. 4. Evaluate the relationships in your life and identify one step you can take to nurture a positive and supportive connection. It could be reaching out to a mentor or role model, having an open conversation with a loved one, or setting boundaries with toxic relationships. 5. Write down your action plan, including specific details and deadlines for each step. 6. Commit to implementing your plan and hold yourself accountable. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. 7. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledge your growth and the steps you're taking to live a more fulfilling life.